we have here. It's not on the cheaper side. This cost me, I believe, £25 on Amazon. So yeah, so we're going to get into it and have a look and see how it is. If I have to charge it, I may have to pause the video, charge it, and then come back to this. But let's see how it is. Okay, so we've got the eraser itself. It's already got battery, which is perfect. We've got the charger, and we have instruction manual. We've got replaceable top section here, the casting, and then we've got thinner and larger rubbers. This is the base one, these are the thinner ones. So, charge port there, button there. That's it. It's quite light. It's compared to the mechanical pencil, it's a little bit heavier, obviously because of the battery. But as a feel, it feels really nice. Don't really feel that vibration. One press and that's it. So we'll give it a try. Let's go for this thick line here that we've done. Let's see how that turns out. How much pressure I have to put down. I'm going to do thinner line here as well. The thin line is completely gone. Absolutely nothing. A thicker line, it's a little bit more to it. You might have to go over it another try, but in terms of going over it, so with a normal eraser you go over it multiple times, but with this it's just one line and that's it, it's done. So let's try these circles over here, see how they react. Okay. It's pretty amazing. Comparison to using this, where you're just constantly going left to right, left to left to right. With this, you can just do one straight line, and that's it, and it's done. That's all it is. Put the rubber in there. That's there. Clicks out. Goes back in. just rotates. You obviously have the different sizes if you're doing something a little bit more precise, and obviously you may want to use these smaller ones. This casing is for the smaller ones, as you can see. The case in the actual unit itself is for the larger ones. So, but it's actually it's amazing compared to this. This is going to be a lifesaver, and you don't feel it. I mean, when you've got it in your hand doing this, you feel nothing. You don't feel much, even the vibration. Nothing there. Like this section here. Pretty much gone. If you're doing lighter lines, it's just completely invisible. It's completely gone. I mean, if we're taking, for example, these thinner lines up here. Gone. So, yeah. You don't need batteries with this. It's rechargeable. Big plus. You've got 10 of the bigger erasers, and you've got 10 of the little ones as well. Very nice to hold in the hand. And it just circles around like a motor. And that's it. I don't know how long it will last battery wise, but you're not going to be using this all the time. You're going to be using it when you need to, and that's it. So I'd imagine the battery life's pretty good as well, given the casing we've got here, where I presume the majority of the battery is. And you've got a light here as well. So saying it's 500 milliamp lithium-ion battery. And it's just spinning, so I'd imagine you're going to get a good, decent amount of time out of this before you have to charge it again. But amazing bit of kit. As a first impression, and me going to be using this for art, it's going to be very, 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 very good. And this just explains how to charge, how to erase English, French, Danish, Spanish, Italian. So when you charge it, the light here is going to be red, and when it's finished, it's going to be green. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. It says do not extend the casing more than 3 mil. Don't extend the eraser more than 3 mil out of the case. This is the casing. Don't have it more than 3 mil out. That's what it's saying. So make sure it's secure in. Would highly recommend. Amazing addition. I think that's pretty much my set done. I'm not going to review a compass because it's a compass. But everything else, this is perfect. With this, it's just the perfect match. So yeah, would highly recommend. See you around.